Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I am so happy that you're here. I know it's been a minute, but it's well worth it because this video I am so excited about. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys a hair tutorial and I'm gonna be doing an unboxing on the new Shark Beauty FlexStyle. Now you might be saying, what's that? I've heard about it. You might have seen it gone viral on TikTok. Well, this is the video for you. So let's get started. Before I get to styling my hair today, I would like to do an unboxing with you, and I'm gonna be opening the FlexStyle from Shark Beauty. Now this is a multi-styling tool, and you may notice, you might see a familiar face on the box a time or two. I had the privilege of working with them. I'm just absolutely blessed. But this product is absolutely amazing. So you can see right here, it is a blow dryer with styling attachments. Game changer, game changer. On the inside here, it tells you all about curling your hair and the Coanda effect. They go into very good detail about how to curl your hair. Even on their website, they have a ton of stuff to help you learn new techniques about how to style your hair with this tool. So here is the box. So first let's talk about the curlers. So you are getting two sets of curlers in this package, and one of them is a right and one of them is a left. And what that means is it curls your hair in different directions. I have them in opposite hands, away from your face, or if you like to curl towards your face, you can switch them too. So they're interchangeable depending on what direction you want to curl your hair. This brush right here is one of my favorites, and this is the oval brush. This is what I actually got to film with on the photo shoot, and I absolutely love this product. There is a product that I've been using that's similar to this brush right here for a long time, and so when I saw that this was on this styler, I was like, oh, yay! All in one. Then we have the paddle brush. The paddle brush is flat on the back, so think about blow drying your hair, but without using a brush while you're blow drying it, because we all use paddle brushes, or at least I do. This straightens and blow dries all at the same time. All right, and then we have the concentrator. This concentrator right here just goes on the tip of your blow dryer, and you can use it with a brush, you can use it without a brush. I personally like rough drying my hair with this on so that it allows the concentration of the airflow to be more direct, and it dries my hair quicker, in my opinion. So that is my favorite way to use this. We also have one more attachment that was not in this box, but it is an option for you, and that is the diffuser. And this has two settings. So this is very, very similar to what they had on the Hyper Air. This diffuser is, oh my gosh. I don't know what it is about this diffuser, but it works so good. The extended prongs really allows you to get to the root, so you get really nice lift at the root, but also defines your curls beautifully. All right, and here is the FlexStyle unit. If you flip it around on the back, there are two buttons. The bottom button allows you to rotate, so it goes into a blow dryer or a styling mode. Right here, this little latch allows you to, once an attachment is on, you can take it right off real quick. All right, so on the unit, there are technically four different heat settings. So there's cold, where you can turn all of the heat off, and then there's low, medium, and high. And then we also have three different airflow settings where you can do low, medium, and high as well, and then the cold shot button. I have been personally using the FlexStyle for a couple months now, and I can tell you that it is my absolute favorite tool that I own. Let's get into styling my hair. I'm gonna rough dry it first, and then we'll go into the curlers. Now, while drying your hair, you might think, oh my gosh, what about the heat damage? Does it cause heat damage? Well, let me tell you, no. It gives you ultra fast drying while maintaining low heat, measuring and regulating temperatures 1,000 times per second to ensure consistent air temperature. Rather than getting hotter as it runs, Shark minimizes heat exposure and regulates temperatures. Now this blow dryer is powerful and fast drying. It may be compact and lightweight at just over 1.5 pounds, but the FlexStyle gives you power and speed for ultra fast performance. So you get to style while you dry with no heat damage. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take about a 1-inch to 1/2 inch section. I'm gonna hold the ends just like this. You want about 4 inches at the bottom, and you're gonna turn on your unit and just let the unit take your hair and roll with it. And there we go. There is the first curl right here. Oh, I love it. The fact that this works just blows my mind. Anyways, I don't like touching my curls until they're fully cooled to room temperature. So I don't touch them at all until I'm fully done with my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and finish the 2 other sections of my hair, and I'll leave the top section and I'll come right back. All right, so I also wanna show you, I have my halo here and I just washed it. Look at these curls that I'm gonna create. I'm gonna wear my halo today. But just absolutely gorgeous. If you wanna see how it looks on longer hair, just look. Perfect, polished, great, turns out fantastic every time. And I have really curly hair, like really wavy hair underneath, and it's really taking out all of those waves. So it like straightens, smooths, curls, dries your hair all at the same time. I don't know, I'm just geeking out over here, sorry. So again, taking the hair, holding it so like 4 inches is down at the end, let it catch, put it up to your head, press the cool shot button, and you can turn it off if you want. Okay, and here we go. And remember, I'm not done. I said I was gonna do extensions. So let's put that in right now. So this is my absolute favorite way of curling my hair when I wear my extensions. I have tried many different barrels. Now my hair is very, very, very thick. And I have like a blunt cut at the end. I've been wanting to keep a blunt cut and not go super feathery with my extensions. So these curls are literally the only way I could get away with the extensions. So I brush it out just like this. Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh, I love it. All right, and here we go. The finished look using the FlexStyle, the curlers, and the concentrator, all to create this beautiful look. It allows you, like I said, to dry and style your hair all in one tool with no heat damage. For me to just cut all of that time literally in half and my hair is able to have no heat damage while I do it, I'm all about that life. Hair integrity is #1. I also wanted to show you guys some hairstyles I have created with this tool using all of the attachments. Here is the curl defining diffuser. The amount of volume and curl I was able to get with this attachment blew my mind. I was also able to get my hair almost stick straight, like literally so nice, so smooth using the paddle brush. And I also did the same look using the concentrator. So these 2 sleek styles are just absolutely beautiful. And here is the look with the oval brush using that voluminous, bouncy, blowout look. So I really love that root at the top too. And as you guys can tell, the curlers. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this tool. If you guys have any questions, you can DM me on Instagram or leave me a comment here on YouTube. And again, thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.